Okay, hello everyone. Let's start the today's lecture. Again back. I am going to the Word application. Okay, after that I'm taking the blank document. Okay, now I have the blank document. So today we are learning mailing. Mailing means what? It's like if suppose you have the office, okay, and in that office I have the thousand of employee and you want to give to the physical invitation to that particular person. Okay, so how we can make, we need to write many times and we need to change the name also, and every time we need to copy paste with the another file, right, another page. So it's taking a lot of time. Sir, we have any kind of solution we can do very fast? Yes, we have. That purpose we need to set one setup, small setup, and after that we can do that. Simply see over here. First we have option what? A envelope. Okay, so when we are clicking to the envelope, when we are sending to the envelope someone, the envelope will be the come, right, isn't it? So right now over here in this section you need to put a address, okay, and delivery address, this section leave as it is. Don't write anything in the delivery section. Just write to the return address, where means our company address. Return your company address. Okay, company address will be coming to the over here. Okay, over here you can see the letter is like that. Over here the company address will be the come, and whom I want to send, these names will be come over here. Okay, suppose I am writing to the Sky Vision College, 5 Motor Roads, and the Sierra Leone. Okay, after that what we are doing, we are just saying add to the document. See, we are clicking add to the document. My address is over here. Okay, means my company address is over here, and whom I want to give to the letters names and addresses over here. Okay, now after that in the downside, suppose I am creating something content, means I want to wish you come to the particular, where is we have the Christmas celebration. Okay, so we can do that. Suppose I am writing randomly text, random, inside of the bracket I want only the 3 randomly text over here. Okay, so this is exactly the content, and over here I want to give to the for everyone, right? So what happened? First I want to add the select a recipients. Okay, so I'm going over here and I'm saying type a new reception recipient. Okay, now you can see anyone a recipients is over here. No, let's create our the employee's name. Okay, suppose over here I'm going and writing Mr. Rohit. First name is the Rohit and last name is the Kadam. Okay, after that company address maybe Sky. Okay, Sky Group or Sky Vision. Okay, after that address is Freetown. Okay, address may be the anything like ABC. Okay, it's the address. After that what? City. Suppose the city will be anything like Freetown town. Okay, after that I am adding the new entry. I'm clicking over here new entry and I'm adding another name, Mr. Alpha Kamara. Okay, group Sky only because we are belonging only the one company. Address maybe ABC, anything, whatever the address you want to put. Okay, he is also from the Freetown, so we can put like a Freetown. Again, let's mix another one person. Like I want to say Miss. Okay, Miss what? I want to say the name is like Binta. Okay, inside of over here Ba. Okay, she's also from Sky. Okay, address maybe ABC. Again over here I want to put the city maybe Bo. Okay, after that I want to use the another entry. Again another miss. Suppose another miss Mariam. Okay, again Mariam Koroma, and we are saying to the company as the Sky. Address is the ABC, and over here the city will be Ken, Kene or Makeni, Make, Makeni, right? Okay, McKinney city. So this is done. Now these people I am added these people. Right now I want to save these people inside of my desktop. Okay, inside of my desktop. I'm saving over here. I want to give to the list. I'm making one list. Okay, and I'm saving that. See, I saved that this person. Right now, just I want to go to the over here in my first page and I want to add the recipients, right? So I'm going over here. See, over here we have the option add a book. Where is that? Over here. Okay. No, not over here. Let me check. Where is that exactly the option? Insert merge field. Insert merge field. So I'm going to the insert merge field. I want to put first a title, Mr. or Mrs. whatever we have. After that, I want to put the first name. I want to put the last name. Okay. After that, enter. Okay. I'm coming to the next line. After that, what? Insert a merge field. I want to put after that company name. After in company name, I want to use the comma and enter. Okay. Now I want to use the address, whatever the address of my company. And after that, the city. Okay. Which city I am. And that's it. Okay. I'm just added this field. Okay. Now see, after this done all things, just I want to go to the over here finish button. Okay. There is the finish and merge. Okay. Now we are clicking to the finish and merge. And after that, see over here, we have the option edit individually documents, and I want to send that each person individually letters. Okay. So I'm clicking over here. Now say for all purpose and say okay. Now you can see your letter is ready. Mr. Rohit purpose is letter ready. Okay. After that, Mr. Alpha purpose is letter is ready. Okay. And after that, Miss Binta purpose is letter ready. And the last one is what? For Miss Mariam purpose letter is ready. Means what? At a time, I can print that all letter and I can distribute within a second. So that is exactly the easy way we can do that. And this is our the mailing concept full about this step. Okay. After that, we have to the options about to the review. Okay. Review means what? Your spelling checking and everything. It will be, okay. This will be learn into the next section. Okay. Let me stop the video first.